Aniyago tongo sini contestants on the results. Ang norno tay bisi degriliya norok kesangka norok jorau kobo kolom khana phiaba tay kisisa jora naisini Sing tabuk our result no naina bagi thangai dong. Sini contestants ro not ready da. Not ready khana ble. Pai phano paya phano. Dini ni result nor ni tali khao. Nor ni history wo. Dini ni yagulo sijaka. Norok asik kosto khlai asik sa joraroi norok joro sopaika. Noroni talent bai, noroni phan bai, noroni sirumung bai, noroni rehearse bai. Norok tini oro sopaika. Sini EMs, sini MDCs, tai sini former EM botong. Borobo joto khakali na sabno narne sabno narya result aba haina nongkhorkha semi finale wo khorok tham taingei norok orok khorok sajona norok sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo norni kapal kaham dini or result no announce kaisinai but before that Sini Baji ready to talk? Narajoto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukakti Gang Chanchinai. Mehli Deverma on the stage, please. Ang tabuk nungin hartinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino bini a shokapno yafana bagi Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth positional Singbai Baksakai competition round grand finale sixth positional Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sengjoto ya perform line please. Man kai seng chiwi chiri khol line. Boni logi wo. Boni check. Boni check ya phar jangai. Boni check bo ya phar jangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of Takutebo song. Are you ready? Paidongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Haiga, Buku, Ishita, Tripura. Thank you. Sengkota yang berkolen, please. And Bono yapan na bagay, beni sokano yapan na bagay. Ang nungin na hanay, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sengkota yang berkolen, please. Bono bagay. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike Task Competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopaka, tie. Semi-finale Koroktam tie rakha. Koroktam equal marks पे फर्क है क्या? But finale वो खरोक नहीं, fourth round of Sopeka. So let me announce the names. Priya Jamatia on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basram Deberma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Data Bahan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kini Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Sengkota ya Bahor Landina Borok Bagay, please. Takut na bukod song. Dabog ang non-nibus ka mo, announce ka na na ito mo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up, mane, third position of Ninja ko. Bonibong na ang dabog non-nibus ka mo, announce ka na. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deberma on the stage. Second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuhel Deberma on the stage, please. Right. Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Like a humbai? Biglayo, there's I know Tangpinai. Sini, first runners up. Oh, Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita, Nini trophies. Buskango, Yaparzaka. Sini. EM ICA Department and Sports Nimisi Dikay Shuhel Deberma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. And a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani thik panang mano. Baksani anya panang mano. But sing jota ya pakhol le nei jota chir khol le nei. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya phana bagang koinai. Sini GTA di sini ngai. EM Fishery Rajesh Tripura. Dalai kahampai.
Ulta ada.
Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio Kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000 and no nibuskango antabuk sini final winner no announce China na ito piaba winner na sigang tubuglag puilang nominahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Deborah on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty die, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Singjoto ya performance ni David Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Tagu te borsong. Nang joto ready de ton. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewi Jain Hai. Hai Chalo. Sing Tubi Pai tonight. Tagu te borsong. Nang joto na hambai nang sumay baksa. Dini Paleka. Dai sini contestants no belai ke support kaiga. Listen, sini finals dono sen narnai de Bernie photo session for sen trailer.